Hey, it's Lum again, and we're going to be doing some electrochemistry stuff today, and today we're going to be talking about acidified solutions, and it's any reaction. So here is, again, our standard reduction potentials of half cells kind of reaction stuff here, and so what we see is a bunch of reactions, half reactions that are occurring here, like this gold one right here, where we have it's gaining electrons, okay, gaining electrons, and so right here when it's going in the forward direction it gains electrons, and therefore that is reduction. Okay, remember our little thing how we memorize gaining electrons is reduction, and if we go in the reverse reaction, okay, it loses electrons. Okay, and therefore losing electrons is oxidation. Okay, and on this side we have our oxidizing agents and our reducing agents are on this side. Again, reducing agents are oxidized. Okay, so again, when this one loses electrons, when Br minus loses an electron, it loses an electron, and therefore, since it loses electrons, it's oxidation, and therefore this is a reducing agent. Okay, it causes the other one to be reduced. Now, some particular half reactions require the presence of H+. Okay, so we can find out many of these on here, and I've took a small sample of our standard reduction potentials table, and but we can see some of these things right here. Okay, so here's one right here, and let's take a look at this one right here. So we have MnO4. Okay, now this reaction, or this half reaction that's going to be happening right here, will only occur in the presence of an acid. Okay, so if you had MnO4 minus, you have to have some HCl in the solution, or maybe some H2SO4 in the solution, or some nitric acid, HNO3 in the solution. You have to have some kind of acid in the solution to provide the H+ ion. Okay, if it's not in an acid solution, this reaction cannot occur, because you need to have MnO4 minus plus some acid, this H+, in order for this to gain electrons, or in other words, for this to be reduced. Okay. Now we can see many things that are acidified or need to have an acid in order to happen. So this also needs an acid to happen, needs an acid. All these ones that I'm underlining right here, these all need acids to happen. Okay? And there's many on that table. Okay, so again, these reactions will not occur unless you have an acid present in the solution with it. Okay, and so we call them acidified solutions. Okay?